cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle. Open the glove box. Remove the two stoppers in the glove box. Lower the glove box. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1153 filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the stoppers. Please note the shape of the stopper when reinstalling. Close the glove box.